Flossom fam. Today I will talk about best blushes for all skin tones, especially for Indian skin tone, which are highly affordable. I have got these 4 blushes with me and I use them all the time. I'm starting with my all-time favorite. This one is from Nykaa 𝗣𝗍𝗄𝗱𝗿 Blush Duo Palette in the shade Malibu Barbie 03. It's a powder blush. The packaging is really good. It costs Rs 5.99. This is really a good blush under this price range. It has got 2 shades in it. This blush is not highly pigmented and it's very buildable. So it's best for beginners with all the skin tones. This feels very light on my skin. You can wear it without makeup too. Gives a naturally beautiful luminous finish every time, as you can see here. I usually like to mix them together and it will last long. I would highly recommend this to you. I will be wiping out every time before applying different blush. Next is the least expensive one from the Mars Blush of Love shade 04. It's just Rs 2.49. I bought it from Blinkit. This is not highly pigmented, but yeah, it's good for beginners. It feels very light on skin. It's kind of matte finish and easily buildable. And it will last pretty long. This actually blends very beautifully, as you can see. You can definitely go for this. This is from Praush Sweet Cheeks Cream Blush in the shade Caramel Glaze. It's from Nykaa. It costs Rs 6.90. It's lightly pigmented and it's easily buildable, so good for beginners. The consistency of this one is not too liquidy. Also, this is super lightweight. The packaging is really very cute. It will look good on all skin tones. At last, this cream blush is from K Beauty shade Sweetheart Pink. It retails for Rs 7.64 from Nykaa. This is one of the most pigmented cream blush. You only need the least amount of it. It has a bit thick and moussey texture and blends very well with my fingers. Gives kind of dewy finish and gives amazing glow, as you can see. Also, this looks good on Indian skin tone. It will last really longer. Definitely worth it. So that's it for today. Please like, share and subscribe to Flossom Fam for more such videos.